Good morning. So we are doing another what I wear in a week, which I have not done in quite a while, so I'm excited. This outfit is very much out of my comfort zone. If you know me, I do not wear full length tops, and I don't know how I feel about this. I thought I liked it, which is why I bought it, but now I feel like it makes me look bigger. I don't know. I might keep it, I might not. But for today, I have a lot of errands to run. I'm hopefully gonna get a haircut because, as you can tell, my hair is really long. I have not cut it in like 10 months, almost 11. So it really needs to get cut. It's also just had a lot of dead ends. And then this part is slightly blonde at the bottom because I bleached it many years ago and it's finally come all the way down. So I'm hoping to get a haircut. I also have to go into the office today to film an interview for my job. And then I'm meeting up with a friend for dinner. So there's a lot going on and I just wanted to wear something comfortable. So this is what I ended up wearing. I'm still feeling really iffy about it. Don't mind the wrinkly bottoms. I literally just don't have time to de-wrinkle them. The pink top is from Fashion Nova, and then I have Torrid on top of it. It is a newer top. It's probably still on the site. I'm sure this Fashion Nova top is on the site too because it's just a basic tee. I also have these high-waisted twisted seam jeans from Torrid, and then I'm wearing my like work Skechers because my other white Skechers are really dirty. I went to Forks this past week and they got really dirty from the mud, so unfortunately I can't wear them until I clean them. So this is what I have for today's fit. And then also a lovely appearance for my cat. Don't mind my messy bed. I don't have time to make it today, so this is just how we're going to look for the first day of the week. Day 2 fit check. So this is the fit check for today. I'm wearing a white t-shirt from Fashion Nova. The dress is from American Eagle, and then I'm wearing these shoes from Torrid. Now, I don't know if you're supposed to wear socks with these kind of shoes. I don't know if it looks funny without socks or with socks. I'm not sure. I thought that I would just like come in here and ask you guys because I've never worn these shoes. This is my first time wearing them. They're literally brand new. They're super cute, but I don't know if I'm supposed to wear socks with them or not. I also went ahead and put this little bow in my hair. Super cute detail. Don't mind how gross my hair looks. I'm not gonna deal with it today, but I just wanted to add out something else to my hair, so that was actually looking cute. This is the fit for today. Super cute. Not something that I wear too often. It needs to be de-wrinkled because the lining is showing, but I really don't care that much about that. We are on to my day 3 outfit. The top is from American Eagle. The bottoms are from Torrid. I am wearing bike shorts underneath so I don't chafe. They're from Old Navy, I think. And then I'm wearing the same white shoes as yesterday, but with socks. I know it looks bad, but I want to wear socks today and I have no like clean white socks. I have to do laundry, so gray is the best I can do, but this is the fit. I don't normally wear this skirt because it's just not like super in my style anymore, but my legs are hairy and it's warm outside, so this is the best I can do with the weather. But yeah, this is the fit. I think I might do something with my hair too. I'll update you if I do something with my hair. I have no idea what day we're on. I think day 4, but honestly, I don't remember. So this is the outfit for today. I'm wearing a dress from Torrid. I love this dress. I wear it all the time. I have Old Navy shorts underneath so I don't chafe. And then I'm wearing my white Skechers. I have a few white Skechers. These are my thicker pair because my thinner pair are dirty. You can actually see them over there, like right here. They're super dirty. They look gray, but they're actually white. I need to wash them. But I went hiking recently and I have not had the chance to wash them. But yeah, this is the fit. I'm going into the work office today and then I have to go to Petco to get some stuff for my cat. Obviously, he's just chilling over there. And then my boyfriend's gonna come over. So I thought this was cute. It's gonna be like 80 degrees outside, so this is a good outfit for that. Welcome to day 5. So today I'm wearing this like embroidered American Eagle puff sleeve tee underneath this Torrid romper. Quite short, but super duper cute. Absolutely love it. And then my thrifted white Skechers. Today I'm just going to work, of course, and then I'll probably go to the pool later. Might go on a walk. I'm not really sure, but I wanted something just cute and casual for the 85-degree weather because it is freaking hot outside and I need to make sure that I am not dying of heat. So this is what I decided to wear for today's fit. Welcome to day 6 of outfits of the week. So this is today's outfit. I'm wearing this black top from Torrid. I think I bought it last year, but it's also still available on the site. This top is also available in white. And then I'm wearing this orange skirt also from Torrid. And then this one I bought this year, so it might still be available. I'm not sure. And then these shoes are just Skechers. I'm going for like a cute athletic kind of fit today. My friend Lily is coming over, so we're gonna hang out and just do stuff together, but there's not really a lot of plans set in place. Might do a tea party, might watch a movie, might go out for food, but this is the fit. Literally, that's all I'm doing today is hanging out with Lily. Last day of the week, and this is the fit. So the top is from Forever 21. These skirt is actually a skirt from Torrid. It's wrinkled, but it doesn't matter. I don't really care too much about that. And then shoes from Skechers. I don't really have any plans today. It is the weekend, so I don't work. So I thought I would just have a chill day. It's just way too hot to be going on a walk. It's about 95 degrees and I just don't want to deal with that. So don't really have any plans for the day. Just gonna lounge around at home. Debated getting dressed today, but I'm like, you know what? To have a good start to every day, you must be dressed. So this is what I decided to put on, and it's wrinkly, but like I said, I'm not going anywhere, so I don't care.